Hello students, here we go. Math. Combining like terms. So this is not too hard. So a term, when we say combining like terms, a term is basically whatever follows the number. So in my examples here, my terms are x, another term is y, another term x, y, z, and another term y, z. So when we talk about combining like terms, we're talking about adding and subtracting them. So for example, if you have something that has the same term, you can add and subtract them. It's kind of like the same kind of fruit. You can add apples and apples, or subtract oranges and oranges, but you can't really do the same. If I have 17 apples and I have 14 oranges, I can't subtract 17 from 14 and get the number of apples or the number of oranges. It's got to be the same thing. So I'm going to give you an example here. We'll erase this. Oh, and if you have a number just by itself, that's considered a term. Is nothing, kind of like a null set. It is nothing there, so if you want to add, you can. If you want to subtract, you can. But here's our example. All right, so here we have kind of a long equation. It's got multiple numbers that have different terms. So I'm going to go and look and I'm going to say, all right, so I start with a 5x. Let's see what else has an x. There's a 5x, and then a positive 14x, and a positive 7x. So 5x, if I want to take, I can do 5x plus 14x plus 7x. So 5 plus 14 is 19, plus another 7 is 26. So I have 26 x's. I can get rid of those now. Now I have we get to a 7y. Are there any other things that end in y? No. Yes, 31y. So what's 7 plus 31? That's right, 38y. And then I have just a 3 left over. Can it be combined with anything? No, it can't. So now I have combined my like terms. And that's it. Sometimes no, actually I won't get into that. But that's the basics of combining like terms. If I have say I have this, I have 7x plus 13y plus another 7xy plus a 34xyz. Can I combine any of those? The answer is no, because none of them are exactly the same. We've got x, then we've got y, then we've got a combination of x, y. That's like apples, oranges, and kiwis, right? And then we've got apples, oranges, kiwis, and mangoes. You can't combine those. You can only add or subtract them when when what follows the number is exactly the same. So if right here I had 7xy, then I could combine my two xy's. Again, over here, if I had 3xyz, I could combine those. Also, it doesn't matter the order that they're in. Typically, they'll be put in the same order, but if I had like 3xy plus 4yx, I could still combine those because they've got the same letters, but it's just in a different order. So you've got some of those to practice on, just 5 of them. So go through that. Again, if you have any questions, let me know, give me a call, close up, and have a good day.